Now the next thing that we want to do is we want to know how to rename columns, right? So sometimes the data that you read in, you may not like the column names as provided in the data set itself, right? And you might want to rename these columns. So you can use the rename function, right? So rename, the first argument or input is again the data set. Now when you are trying to specify a new name, this is how you do it, right? So you start with the new name. Okay, so here I am going to change the name of the column duration to time on site. So duration is the existing name of the column, and the new name that I want to assign to this column is time on site. So you first specify the new name of the column, right? That's the name that you want to assign to that column, and then followed by an equal to sign, and then the existing name of the column, right? So duration is the existing name of the column. Now I want to change it to time on site, right? So here you can see the name of the column has been changed to time on site, right? So it is first new name followed by an equal to sign and then the existing name of the column. So you can try changing names of other columns in the data set if you want, but keep in mind that you first specify the new name followed by the existing name of the column. Now we'll move on to sampling data.